What's good, Career Wars? It's your boy Anthony Harris with Legacy Careers LLC, where we're here to help you land a job quicker and easier. Now, have you ever found a perfect job on LinkedIn and simply applied to it, but don't know what to say to hiring manager or recruiter in order to get them to look at your application? Or fear not, I know a lot of people are uncomfortable with hitting hiring manager recruiters in the DMs. I've also seen a lot of people send maybe a few awkward messages of, "Hi, my name is," and then they tell them they're interested in the role. And that actual message may either get sent to the garbage bin or may be ignored by the hiring manager or recruiter. But here's what I want you to say that's a little bit more clear and concise. So I want you to say, "Hi, my name is, I have a relevant experience in this skill set, and I'm interested to speak with you to showcase how my skill set can help your team win." That's clear, concise, and short, and will get the hiring manager and recruiters just second guessing or thinking that you may be somebody that they want to talk to or maybe have relevant experience for the job that they have open. If you need any assistance or if you're ever unsure of what to say to hiring manager recruiters or need assistance on any salary negotiations or scripts on feedbacks on what to say after an interview, I have now available on my website some LinkedIn and salary negotiation scripts that are available for only $20. So make sure you take advantage of those scripts. You get lifetime access as soon as you download it. So no fear. And these are plug and play scripts on how you can speak to hiring manager and recruiters in the DMs, or like I said, even negotiate your salary. So if you need anything else, Career Warriors, please let me know.